Hi students, welcome to the class. Today we are discuss one more subtopic on differentiation. In the previous classes, we are discuss some formulas. d by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. d by dx of u minus v is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. d by dx of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. d by dx of u by v is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. d by dx of k into u is equal to k into d by dx of u. d by dx of only k is equal to 0. d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. d by dx of x is equal to 1. d by dx of x square 2x. d by dx of x cube 3x square. d by dx of e power x e power x. d by dx of a power x into log a to the base e. d by dx of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of sin x cos x. d by dx of cos x minus sin x. d by dx of tan x secant square x. d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x. d by dx of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. And d by dx of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. And one of the most important formula is first derivative. It is f dash of x. f dash of x is equal to, it is the first principle, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. It is the formula is also called as first principle of the derivative. First principle of the derivative. Okay. Today we are discuss second order derivative. Suppose f of x is a function, then the derivative is f dash of x. Suppose here the derivative of f dash of x is f double dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f dash of x plus h minus f dash of x by h. It is the second order derivative. Simply, suppose sin x is a function. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. It is the first derivative and it is the second derivative. Two times derivative is called the second order derivative. A function differentiation with respect to x two times, then it is called second order derivative. Second order derivative. And they are denoted by either f double dash of x or y double dash. F double dash of x or y double dash. First derivative is denoted by f dash of x or y dash or dy by dx. Second derivative is f double dash of x or y double dash or dy by dx of dy by dx. Again differentiation means dy by dx of dy by dx. It is also denoted by d square y by dx square. Okay students, f of x is a function, then the derivative is denoted by f dash of x or y dash or dy by dx. It is the first derivative. Again differentiation with respect to x, then it is denoted by either f double dash of x or y double dash or d square y by dx square. d square y by dx square. Here observe that first derivative is dy by dx. Again differentiation. Differentiation means d by dx. d by dx of dy by dx is equal to, it can be written as d square y by dx square. Okay, simply second order derivative means the function differentiation two times a function derivative, then it is called second order derivative. Okay, exercise 9d. Okay, if y is equal to 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5, then find y double dash. First of all, given that y equal to 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5, differentiation with respect to x. Okay, y derivative is denoted by y dash and it is of the form u by v. U by v formula is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. Okay, y dash is equal to 4x plus 5 into d by dx of 2x plus 3, d by dx of 2x, 2 into 1 plus d by dx of 3, 0 minus 2x plus 3 into, similarly, d by dx of 4x, 4 constant x derivative 1, d by dx of 5, the constant derivative is 0. Constant is separately, then the derivative will be equal to 0. Any term along with constant, then constant the front side by v square. V means 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 4x plus 5 into 2 minus 2x plus 3 into 4 by 4x plus 5 whole square. Here 2 into 4x is 8x plus 10 minus 4 into 2x 8x, 4 into 3 12 minus 12 by 4x plus 5 whole square plus 8x minus 8x cancel, 10 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 by 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, therefore y dash is equal to minus 2 into 1 by 4x plus 5 whole square. To write easily, here minus 2 is in the numerator, separately to write minus 2 into 1 by 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, differentiation with respect to x again. Because to find y double dash, that means 2 times derivative. Here it is the first time derivative and it is the second time derivative. Y dash derivative is y double dash. It is of the form k into u derivative, k into d by dx of 1 by 4x plus 5 whole square. Okay, it is of the form 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Already the formula is 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. What is the term treated as x? Here you observe that it is the term treated as x. So into d by dx of 4x plus 5 whole square minus into minus plus 2 by 4x plus 5 whole power 4 into, it is of the form x square derivative 2x, 2 into 4x plus 5. Here what is the term treated as x? 4x plus 5 treated as x. Then the derivative is d by dx of 4x plus 5. Here 4x plus 5 cancel. 2 into 2 4 by 4x plus 5 whole cube into d by dx of 4x plus 5. 4 into 1 plus 0. 4x, 4 is constant to right front side. Into x derivative is 1 plus 5 derivative is 0. 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 0 4, 4 into 4 16 by 4x plus 5 whole cube. It is y double dash. And one more problem is, okay, find the second order derivative of the function. It is a function in terms of x, so it is denoted by y. So y equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Here, in the previous sections, we use substitution method. Put x is equal to tan A. Put x equal to tan A. Tan A in the right side to right left side. Then it is tan inverse x is equal to A. Tan inverse x is equal to A. To substitution, x is equal to tan A in the equation. X equal to tan inverse of 3 tan A minus tan 3A, tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Already here it is the formula of tan 3A. So y equal to tan inverse of tan 3A. After cancellation of tan inverse, the term is y is equal to 3a. What is a? A means tan inverse x. Y equal to 3 into tan inverse x. Here differentiation with respect to x. Y derivative is denoted by y dash. Here 3 is constant to right front side. D by dx of tan inverse x means the formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, therefore y dash is equal to 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Again differentiation with respect to x. Okay students, here y dash derivative is y double dash. 3 is the constant and it is of the form 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. What is the term treated as x? Here the term treated as x is 1 plus x square. 3 into minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. It is of the form u by v. D by dx of 1, 0 plus d by dx of x square, 2x. 0 plus 2x, 2x. 2x into 3, 6x. Into minus 1, minus 6x by 1 plus x square whole square. It is y double dash. Okay, and one of the important problem is, okay, here the question is if y equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n, then x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. Here there are three formulas are used. One is x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. U plus v derivative is du by dx plus dv by dx. U plus v derivative is du by dx plus dv by dx. Here, given that y equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus 1. Differentiation with respect to x. Y derivative is y dash and it is of the form u plus v. D by dx of a into x power n plus 1 plus d by dx of b into x power minus 1. Here y dash is equal to, here a is constant to right front side into d by dx of x power n plus 1. Here also b is constant to right front side d by dx of x power minus n. Y dash is equal to a into, it is of the form d by dx of x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1, n plus 1 minus 1 plus b into, here it is the form x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. Here to simplify it, y dash is equal to a into n plus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 cancel x power n plus into minus minus bn into x power minus n minus 1. Okay, again differentiation with respect to x. Y dash derivative is already, we know that. What is the derivative? Y double dash. Here u minus v, the formula is du by dx minus dv by dx. That means d by dx of a into n plus 1 into x power n minus d by dx of b into n into x power minus n minus 1. Okay students, here what is the constant term? Here a into n plus 1 is constant to right front side into d by dx of x power n. Here minus bn is constant into d by dx of x power minus n minus 1. Here it is of the form x power n. X power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1 minus bn into, here the formula is minus n minus 1 into x power minus n minus 1 minus 1. X power n minus n minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Here y dash double dash is equal to a into, to right front n into n plus 1 into x power n minus 1. Here minus is common, minus into minus plus b into n plus 1 into x power minus n minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, here you observe that to prove that x square y double dash, here it is x square. So multiplying with x square. Multiplying with x square. Then the term is x square into y double dash is equal to a into n plus 1 into x power n minus 1 into x square, okay, plus b into n plus 1 into x power minus n minus 2 into x square. Okay students, all terms are multiplying with x square. Here left hand side as usually write it x square into y double dash. You observe that in the right hand side these two terms are common, so to write n into n plus 1 and the remaining term is a into, these two terms are bases are equal, powers are adding, so to write x power n minus 1 plus 2 plus b into x power minus n minus 2 plus 2, x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into a into x power n minus 1 plus 2 means n plus 1 plus b into x power minus 2 plus 2 cancel x power minus n. Here observe that this is the same, a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus 1 can be written as y. So the term is denoted by y from equation 1. It is denoted by equation 1. So to prove that x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into y, x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. Okay, the next sum is, okay students, if y equal to a cos x plus b plus 2x into sin x, then y double dash plus y is equal to 4 cos x. Here given that y equal to a cos x plus b plus 2x into sin x. Okay, differentiation with respect to x. Okay students, y dash, y derivative is y dash. Okay, it is of the form u plus v. The formula is du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, here a is constant to right front side, d by dx of cos x, and it is of the form u plus v. U plus v derivative u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. U means b plus 2x. Okay, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, so it can be written as minus a sin x plus b plus 2x into d by dx of sin x. The formula is cos x plus sin x into d by dx of b plus 2x, d by dx of b 0, d by dx of 2x 2. 2 constant front side, x derivative is 1, 2 into 1, 2. So it can be written as minus a sin x plus b plus 2x into cos x plus 2 sin x. It is y dash. Again differentiation with respect to x. Okay students, y dash derivative is denoted by y double dash d by dx of, the formula is minus a sin x plus d by dx of b plus 2x into cos x plus d by dx of 2 sin x. Okay, here minus a is constant to right front side, y double dash is equal to minus a into d by dx of sin x plus it is of the form u into v. The formula is u into d by dx of v cos x plus cos x into d by dx of b plus 2x plus d by dx of, here 2 is constant to right front side and the remaining term is sin x. Y double dash equal to minus a into d by dx of sin x. The formula is cos x plus b plus 2x into d by dx of cos x means minus sin x plus cos x into d by dx of b plus 2x. Here b is constant, derivative is 0, 2 plus 2x derivative is 2 into 1, 2. 2 into d by dx of sin x cos x. Here y double dash is equal to, minus is the common term, so minus into a cos x plus b plus 2x into sin x closed plus 0 plus 2, 2 into cos x, 2 cos x, 2 cos x plus 2 cos x, 4 cos x. Here observe that it is a term, it is denoted by y. So y double dash is equal to minus y plus 4 cos x. Here minus y to right left side, then it is y double dash plus y is equal to 4 cos x. To prove that y double dash plus y is equal to 4 cos x. And one more problem is, here you observe that these two are, we use the formulas d by dx of a plus bx, d by dx of a 0 constant, d by dx of bx, b constant front side, and d by dx of x 1. So the value is b. It is of the form e power x, e power x derivative e power x. What is the term treated as x? Here 3x is treated as x, 3x derivative is 3. So to write directly, d by dx of a plus bx is equal to b, and d by dx of e power 3x is equal to 3 into e power 3x. Here the solution is given that y equal to 6 into x plus 1 plus a plus bx into e power 3x. It is the one of the most important formula problem. Okay, differentiation with respect to x, y derivative is y dash is equal to d by dx of u plus v. Here u plus v plus du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, student, you observe that it is of the form u plus v derivative du by dx plus dv by dx. Here 6 is constant to right front side into d by dx of x plus 1. Here it is of the form u into v, u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, students, here 6 into d by dx of x plus 1, d by dx of x 1, d by dx of 1 0, 1 plus 0 plus a plus bx into d by dx of e power 3x. Here the derivative is 3 into e power 3x plus e power 3x into d by dx of a plus bx is equal to b. It is y dash. Y dash is equal to finally the value 6 into a plus bx into, here 3 front side, 3 into a plus bx into e power 3x plus b into e power 3x. Okay, students, you observe that here a plus bx into e power 3x. Here a plus bx into e power 3x. Both are same. So a plus bx into e power 3x can be written as, here the term to left side, then y minus 6 into x plus 1. So y dash is equal to 6 plus 3 into, here the term it is replaced by y minus 6 into x plus 1 plus b into e power 3x. Okay, students, here y dash is equal to 6 plus 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 6, 18, 18 into x, 18x, 3 into 6, 18, minus 18 into 1, minus 18 plus b into e power 3x. Y dash is equal to 6 minus, first of all 3y minus 18x, 6 minus 18 minus 12 plus b into e power 3x. Okay, differentiation. Again differentiation with respect to x. Y dash derivative is y double dash. Here either plus or minus derivative apply all the terms. So first term is d by dx of 3y minus d by dx of 18x minus d by dx of 12 plus d by dx of b into e power 3x. Here it is the equation number 2. Okay, y double dash is equal to d by dx of 3y, 3 is constant to right front side, d by dx of y, that is dy by dx, it is denoted by y dash, minus 18 constant, x derivative is 1, minus 12 constant, derivative 0, plus b into b constant, d by dx of e power 3x, the formula is 3 into e power 3x. Y double dash is equal to 3y dash minus 18 plus 3 into b into e power 3x. Here b into e power 3x, b into e power 3x. Here the terms to write left side and the value replace it here. 3 into b into e power 3x, b into e power 3x, it is the term. So to write all the values, y dash minus 3y plus 18x plus 12 from equation number 2. Okay. Here in the equation b into e power 3x value, here it is b into e power 3x. Here all the three terms to write left side and the value substitution in the equation. Then y double dash is equal to 3y dash minus 18 plus 3y dash minus 3 into 3y, 9y, 3 into 18x, 54x plus 3 into 12, 36. Y double dash 3y dash plus 3y dash 6y dash to left side minus 6y dash plus minus 9y to right left side plus 9y is equal to 54x minus 18 plus 36. It is plus 18. Okay. Today the class is completed. Tomorrow we will meet again.